Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to create this animated travel slideshow step by step. First, open up a new video project. Go to the element search page. We'll be working with this photo. Here I'll use this photo as the background for our design. Let's add our title right on top of it. Place the title text in the center. Add a nice shadow effect. Download it as a PNG file. Now upload it back again. Remove the original image. Next, go to Elements and search for Plane. We're going to use this airplane graphic for our design. After that, head over to Shape. Pick any color you like. I'll choose this one and then fill up the space with it. Click on the plane layer, bring it to the front. Then select everything together and group it. Now, drag the grouped design to the left side. Duplicate it, and here's where you can add your text. For example, travel. Let's adjust the timing and apply some simple animations to make it smooth. I'll also add a timeline effect so it flows nicely. For transitions, go to Transitions and apply Match and Move. On the second page, move the airplane towards the right side for motion. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips.